baby for Carlisle. The battery is not holding the charge at all. We're back at 13%. It was fully charged yesterday. I came out to start it and nothing. Nothing's not holding the charge. So I'm thinking it's something that's pulling that's draining this battery. Or it could be the alternator, or it could be the battery. We're about to find out. I got the multimeter out. I got a second battery over here so that we're about to run the test and get to the bottom of this. All right, so I swapped out the battery because that excess power will not hold a charge. It will not hold a charge. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the multimeter. Well, we're actually gonna switch this over to this right here. And then we're gonna place this. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? I gotta back up a little bit. We're gonna place this on the positive. See what it reads. Be back in a sec. All right, it's at 0.03, almost exactly where it needs to be. Wow, so maybe it's the battery, y'all. Dang, the excess power battery is done. Wow. It's not pulling. Okay, so I'm trying to charge the battery and it's at 100%. The excess power battery is at 100%. Now, what I did notice trying to swap out the batteries for this test, the negative terminal was super hard to get tight. So maybe the negative terminal was loose. Now I just tried to crank the car up with this battery in it. It did not start. Resting, can't see it, but it's resting at 12.9. Exactly where it needs to be. All right, let's give it a crank with the secondary battery and see what happens. Okay, so we got it hooked all up, but here's what I noticed. The terminals are as tight as they can, and look, the terminal posts are actually too small to get full contact. So it makes them kind of loose. You see that? That's probably why the battery is draining itself. That's my only thought. But let's see if it starts. This is a fresh battery, Duralast. All right, here we go. All right, we hear beeping. Okay. Let's see if it starts. It cranks. The Duralast battery works. All right, let's try the other battery again and see what happens, because it said it was at 100%. All right, excess power battery is back in. It's reading at 12.7. I don't know if y'all can see that. I did find this cord. I'm not sure what it went to. It looked like it went to something, maybe my alarm system. But we're back at 12.7 now. This car did not start, y'all. It did not start. It did not start this morning, I promise you. But we're gonna see now. There's always something right before a car show, right, y'all? Always something. All right, let's see if it starts now. Because if it does, that means there wasn't the battery terminals wasn't already on all the way on the battery. Nope. That's what it was doing this morning, y'all. So it is the battery. That excess power battery is, wow, Dunzo in 2 years. Dunzo. That is insane. All right, y'all. So it's been on the charger for roughly about a couple minutes. Seen the voltage go up a little bit. Let's see if it cranks up. All right, everything cuts on. All right, now we're back. But for how long? Don't know. Okay, y'all, so I seen something that was unplugged, and I just plugged it back up. Not sure if this is going to make a difference, but let's see if it starts. All right, we still got power. No start. No start. Okay, so let me unplug that again, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about, and then plug it back up, and let's see what happens. All right, so I got this right here going to the AC compressor. Now, the AC compressor is not hooked up because AC doesn't work. Let's unplug it again. The voltage was down to 11.7. So let's charge it just a little bit. We're gonna charge it for another 5 minutes and then see what happens. All right. Let it charge for roughly about 5 minutes. Always get these keys mixed up because they look exactly identical. Watch it start now. That thing's unhooked. That was hooked up. It starts. So I'm gonna unhook the charger. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and let's see if it cranks back up again. And I'm gonna do a load test, sitting still and see, you know, if the battery drained with the sound system on. So we're gonna check that out too. So letting the car sit for a couple minutes, but I'm just thinking about the other day. The other day when I went to the muffler shop and, you know, drove all over, the car would not start after it was turned off. And this is even after driving it for over an hour. Everything should have been charged up. All the juice should have been flowing. So even with the car sitting for a couple minutes, I unplugged that thing that was hooked up to the air compressor. Technically, it should start. But maybe since that thing was plugged up and it's unplugged now, it does start. So maybe it had to deal with that. Let's see. All right, we got lights. Make sure we're in neutral. It stumbled, but it started. Interesting. Stumbled, but it started. All right. We have 15 volts. That's exactly where it should be with the high output alternator as well as the excess power battery. Let's see what it does with music.
So how it is blunt.
All right.
To turn this AC on.
Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Rolling up the gas, easing my mind. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Rolling up the gas, easing my mind.
In my car, in the AC, dodging the humidity. Sitting on some leather seats, music playing. I'm feeling peace, cruising in the hood. My tag's good. I'm riding clean, watching for the police in summer in these gutter streets and black fabrics. Kicks, Nike, Air Maxes, passing cookouts, block parties, and chicks with asses. It's 93 degrees, I'm high, I got the green in me. Dirt bikes doing witties, do fiends in the vicinity. Think about my younger days, frozen cups and super soakers. Now I got a beer with a few grays. I got an odor. Countries fighting wars and the coronavirus. Still not over, staying deep thought when I'm smoking. Lee Stevens on, I just left them off for designer tees and swimming trunks. Gonna Hershey Park tomorrow, we gonna have some fun.
I'ma take some chicks from the club, 12 p.m. or something. This just regular shit I do in the summer months. Summer breeze makes me feel fine. Rolling up the gas, even in my mind.
Judging by the pictures she sent me on the internet. Online dating tricky, but we had months to connect. Every day we text and we even had phone sex. Suddenly the mega bus pulled up. I showed my ticket, boarded quickly cause it's cold as fuck. I better not get COVID, I pray, plus ain't touching stuff. Got a few masks and hand sanitizers tucked. I'm bundled up, time went by, kinda nervous, getting butterflies. Caught a lift ride, let her know that I'm close by. Hella crowded with people up in NY.
I'm on the way. Can't stop thinking about you, babe. Shit, I just wanna play. Turn this trip to a vacation. You're so amazing. You're always on my mental, babe. And when I touch down, straight relation.
Alright. So I turned on all electronics. I cut on the air. Also cut on the headlights. I seen it start to dim. So the only it could be the alternator. Could be the alternator, y'all. Let me try to test the alternator out on the multimeter. See what happens. $12.29 for the battery too. So the battery should be at resting position like 12.7. So it is a little low. But nothing's draining it. That's crazy. And we got the Duralast battery. Resting at 12.78. That's where it's supposed to be. I think it's the battery, y'all. I think it's the excess power battery. That's crazy. 2 years, the battery donezo? Insane, y'all. I'm gonna have to hit him up and say, yo, I need a new battery. Because it should have a 3-year warranty. It's been 2 years. Not even 2 years. Yeah, 2 years this month, actually. Wow. Alternator's at 15. Alternator's good. Your new battery. Well. And of course, while I'm out here at Carlisle, my car starts right up, which is crazy. I don't know if it's because I took that long drive. I didn't turn my car off earlier, so I've been driving for over 2 hours. I don't know if that did something, but I turned my car off 3 times while I was here at Carlisle, moving it. The car starts right up. Interesting.
The next day.
This is the next day. This is Sunday right after Carlisle. The car was cranking right up all day Saturday. It's been sitting obviously overnight. Let's see what we do. We still got sounds. Ain't no way. What the heck? I had the slightest idea, y'all. Slightest idea. But whatever happened, I guess it's fixed for now, and I'm about to unhook this battery. So I'm about to be out of town for a few weeks. And that's gonna be that for this video. See y'all on the next one. As always say, stay positive, stay motivated. Salute. It's MCM, Money Cause Motivation. Let's go. Nope, video not over, y'all. I don't know if you can see it, but it's swollen a little bit right here. Can you see it? So yeah, I'm gonna need a new battery. Even though it's working for now, it's poking a little bit. It's swole.